Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri potato and chicken curry. It has a delectable taste and absolutely incredible. Potatoes are readily available and perk up any dish. So let's get started. For making this chicken curry, I have taken around 750 grams of chicken. I have taken leg pieces. You can take any cut of your choice. And then I'll be adding a glass of water to this and some spices. Spices include 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then I'll give it a mix and we have to boil it for some time. We have to bring it to boil, so I have kept here high flame. So once it starts to boil, we'll keep it like this for around 5 minutes and then we'll turn off the flame. Now moving to other ingredients. The other ingredients include, I have taken around 750 grams of potatoes and I have made cubes like this. Then I have taken half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt 1.5 teaspoon, or you can adjust according to your taste, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, and whole spices include 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 small sticks of cinnamon, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 black cardamom and 4 green cardamoms. And oil, I have taken around 1 cup that we will be using for frying chicken and potatoes, and later I'll be using a few tablespoons from this oil. So I have heated up oil and I will be frying the chicken. We have to fry chicken on both the sides, kind of a deep fry as we do for Kashmiri curries. Then I'll flip it to the other side and we have to fry it on both the sides, as you can see here. Once it's fried properly on both the sides, we'll remove it from the oil and add another batch. Once all the chicken pieces are done, so in the same oil I'll be frying potatoes. We don't have to deep fry potatoes, but we'll fry them slightly on both the sides. You can skip this step, you can add potatoes directly to the gravy, but frying them slightly gives a good taste. So once they are fried on both the sides, we'll remove them from the oil. Okay, this is the fried potatoes and chicken. Now I have heated up around 3 tablespoons of oil, and then I'm adding all the whole spices, cumin seeds, cardamom, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon stick and cloves, and I have added ginger garlic paste too. So I have taken the oil from the same oil in which I fried chicken and potatoes. Then I'll be adding other spices that include cardamom powder, fennel seed powder, dry ginger powder, chili powder. And I'll be adding a tablespoon of chicken stock in which I boiled chicken. I'm not going to discard that so that it doesn't burn. You can add water also. And now I'm going to add around 2 cups of chicken stock in which I boiled chicken. I'm not going to discard it, and I'll add it to this. And then I'll be adding fried chicken and potatoes. And at this stage you can check the salt, because chicken stock had already salt, so I'm first going to check, then I'll be adding salt according to my taste. And I have not added garam masala yet. Give it a good stir, but we need to be gentle with stirring. And then I'll be adding salt according to taste. You can add water instead of chicken stock, because some people prefer to discard that chicken stock, but I like to use that. And then I'll be checking the salt, and I'll add salt according to my taste, and I'll keep it on high flame for around 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes on high flame, so here you can see, so at this stage I'll be adding garam masala and kasuri methi. This is an optional that I have not showed you earlier, but it gives a very good taste and gives a good aroma. So here you can see, and you can adjust gravy also according to your taste. So at this stage I'll be adding slightly more gravy, so I'm adding some more chicken stock, around half a cup of chicken stock, and I'll keep it on low flame for around 5 minutes. Now I'll let it cook on low flame for around 3 to 4 minutes. Here we have to be careful that potatoes should not break and chicken should not fall off from bones. Both should be intact. So after around 3 to 4 minutes on low flame, here you can see our potato and chicken curry is ready. Now here you can see the thickness of gravy also. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. It's served with rice. I'll let it settle down for a few minutes before serving. Here an easy and irresistible potato and chicken curry is ready. So I'll dish it out now. Potato and chicken curry is an easy to make dish and it's enjoyed by all. This dish is cherished by everyone. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.